Hello, in this video we're gonna check all gestures and motions available for POCO Find X2 Neo. And to do this, open up Settings, scroll all the way down to find System Settings, and here Gesture and Motions. Now we can see all gesture and motions for this device, and now let's check how they work. First one is a screen of gestures, so if you enter it, you can enable it, and now there's a bunch of other gestures, and you can check our next video, which I will cover all screen of gestures. But in this case, let's go for all gestures that are available when your phone is unlocked. So you have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. That's very simple. Simply swipe down 3 fingers and here's a screenshot. Another one is touch and hold 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and that will make you able to take the partial screenshot, so you can highlight a specific place on the screen and save it. Another one is raise to wake, and now if you lock your screen and your phone is timed out and you pick it up, it should wake up like this. Next one, lift to ear to answer calls, and that speaks for itself. If you lift it and take it close to your ear, it should answer the call automatically without swiping up for the answer. There's auto switch to receiver, automatically switch to receiver when you lift your phone to your ear, and that works the same way as the answer call but for a receiver. There's also flip to mute incoming calls, and if you enable it and put your phone on the screen back, it should mute all incoming calls for this device. There's one that is grayed out, which is lift to ear to make calls. Set the default SIM for calls to use auto dial. And that works if you have SIM card plugged in. I don't have it, but I can still tell you on how this works. So lift to ear to make calls. Set the default SIM for calls to use auto dial. And if you have your SIM card plugged in, you'll be able to pick a contact, specific contact, to make calls with this motion. And that's all for this video. You can check our next video for a screen of gestures if you're interested, as I will cover them all. And hopefully you'll like that video. Leave a subscription and comments below.